Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can create audiobooks on ElevenLabs. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to log in into ElevenLabs, and the first thing you will see is this. Good afternoon, and then you'll have to choose audiobook, and now you will be getting recommendation of the voices that do most of the audiobooks. Now, all you have to do is choose and make sure most of them are like narrators. I personally like to choose Lily. And now, what you have to do is you have to upload the file. Now, what I will do is I will upload the file of the book. For example, this one, and I'll click on create. Now, when I click on create, it will start creating the audiobook and you will get the audiobook. Now, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.